VIZIO Smart TV has no sound coming out of the TV speaker. Follow these easy steps to fix it in minutes. First of all, make sure that the volume is not too low. And the second thing that you should check is whether any other audio device is connected to your TV, such as a Bluetooth speaker or headphones. But if this wasn't the case and you still can't hear anything, then you should try cold booting your TV, which may fix any software glitches causing this. Just unplug your TV's power cord, wait for 3 to 5 minutes, then turn it back on. If you're still not hearing anything, then you should try using a different audio device to check if you can hear any sound. If the other device works, then your TV speakers may have gone bad. But if you don't hear anything, even through an external speaker, then this may get fixed if you hard reset your TV and set it back up in a few minutes. But in case you don't want to reset your TV, then you can also contact VIZIO support and follow their instructions. And that's all. Hope you found this useful, and I'll see you in the next one.